beautiful people. In this video today, I'm going to give you a little tour of my office space and how it accommodates my needs as a neurodivergent and chronically ill person. And yes, I do have glitter all over my face. I, for some reason, thought that it was fun to do that. So yeah, I am kind of covered in glitter. Yay, let's get on with the tour. So one of the coolest things in this room that you probably would have seen in the last video is this really cool fish lamp. It's a sensory lamp, but it's much better in the dark. So I will turn the lights off and show you what it looks like when it's actually dark. There we go. So the contrast looks better when it's dark. I absolutely love this. It reminds me of actual sensory rooms. And I kind of wanted this for a long time because it's just such a cool lamp, and I thought it would look amazing in the background of videos, and I also just like to have it on to chill in the evenings and things like that, so it's really, really nice. But yes, the fish lamp definitely accommodates my sensory needs because I absolutely adore soothing lights. I've got some flowers here, but sadly they're dying now because they've been here for a few days. I got them for my birthday, but my birthday was, I think, over a week ago now, so unfortunately, the poor flowers, their time is almost up. And then I've also got this adorable little polymer clay mushroom that I made. He's got hearts and stuff on it. I then have fake plants because I cannot be trusted with real ones. I would just knock them over and get mud all over the floor, so that's why I have fake plants, so that I do not make an absolute mess. These are not in the right place. There we go. I also have blackout blinds, which are really good because they block off the light. So if I'm having a day where I'm struggling with really bad light sensitivity, then that's extremely helpful. It'll block out all the unnecessary light. And also it's good when I have my sensory lights on, blocks out the light, so it looks better when there's all darkness around it. There's more contrast. Then I just have a birthday card from my parents. And then this is my little storage area. Of course, there's big bottle of water. I have a fidget spinner, which I really like, but ironically, if you spin this one too much, it actually, like, this comes off it. So you can't spin it too much, which kind of defeats the object in having a fidget spinner, but it's really pretty. The colours of it's very iridescent and metallic. I then have my sunglasses, which are prescription sunglasses, so I can actually see properly through them. And then I have some Siberian ginseng, because that's part of my Lyme healing protocol, and also just to give me energy. Although sometimes it actually sends me to sleep, so that's kind of a problem, the fact that it actually sends me to sleep sometimes. It's not supposed to do that. And then I just have some notebooks, and I have a really nice colouring book under here, actually. I'm going to try and... Oh dear. Here we go. The Good Vibes colouring book from Amazon. I don't really finish them that much. Like, it looks like I haven't done any of them. I have. I'm trying to find the ones that I have actually done. Where are they? You know, you see, I just don't finish them. Like, I'll start loads of them. I'll just never really finish them. So yes, that's a very neurodivergent mood in that I can't even pay attention to colouring because I will get bored. But you see here, I've got some pens, I've got neon highlighters, but I've also got some pastel highlighters for if I'm feeling very sensitive to bright colours and light and contrast. I can just use these ones, which are not as bright and overwhelming. They also have two sides to them, which is pretty cool. I have a whiteboard, which is really good for writing reminders on. And that's good because I am very forgetful, you know. I will literally forget everything, so it helps to write it down in a place where I'm actually going to see it and not just forget that I've even written it down. This is my other sensory light. Where is the switch? Here is the switch. It sort of projects around the entire room. Here we go. It looks much better with the light off, but it's very soothing. You can also turn off the rotation on this as well, though, if you didn't like the rotation. But it's just nice because you can just lay on the floor and look at the ceiling which I do sometimes, and when the fish lamp is on, it's actually really, really nice. I'll show you. It goes well together. Here we go. If you have all of that together, it makes the office look like a sensory room, which is incredibly soothing and helpful for me as a autistic person. I've then just got my little shelf, and it's really funny because you can tell that I've had a special interest with The Simpsons, because after the 13 going on 30 film, which is very good by the way, there's just a absolute ton of Simpsons discs. I'll show you. And yes, I am wearing fluffy trousers right now, but like pretty much all of these discs are The Simpsons, which is pretty pointless now because pretty sure all the episodes of The Simpsons are on Disney Plus, but I had these before Disney Plus existed. So, you know, there's a big collection there, although I don't think this one is The Simpsons, is it? I also have my little Build-A-Bear here, which I absolutely love. She's so cute. Then I've got this amazing candle. I love this candle because it smells like cinnamon. I got it from the range. It's just a really, really nice candle. It's so soothing, and it's like a warm scent. It's not refreshing, it's calming, so I really like that. Moving down, there is another candle. This one is a more refreshing one to give energy, you know, so this one isn't good for calming you down, but it is good for energizing. And then I have I have my little makeup stuff, my makeup tray, which you can see I've been messing about with today, which is why I have glitter all over my face. And then at the bottom there's just a Winnie the Pooh bag. Over here I have a little sofa, which is really good because it reclines, and that's super helpful as I most likely have POTS, which means that I need to lay down a lot to get appropriate blood flow to my brain. And then there's my laptop, which I decorated a while back, but the stickers are falling off now and it kind of looks childish, but I love it, so I don't care. Thank you so much for watching this little video. I hope you liked it, and I hope that it shows you that even an office room can be accommodating to sensory needs. I adore these sensory lights. I adore all the sensory lights. And I added little things that make me comfortable in here. I am sitting at the desk now, on the desk chair. But yeah, this is a very good room, and I'm very grateful that I have it here. And also, if you're neurodivergent, you also need to include things like fidgets in your room, because it helps calm the mind and therefore can help with focus. Because if my hands are moving, my thoughts reduce. It's like I am getting out the mental hyperactivity in another way, in a physical way, by moving my hands around. Thank you for watching. Bye!